The Sāmoan word for today is whaunga, which means to use. But in this case, I'm reusing something, right? I'm taking these boards off of this old pallet. So like to use it again, you'd say toi whaunga. So toi whaunga means to reuse or to recycle, as we like to call it, or upcycle in this case. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that board off right here, and I'm gonna put it up on this ceiling and give it like a different, just a different look. So funny thing about the word whaunga, the root word is aunga, which means like the use of. So like it's like a noun, right? So aunga is like use, the use, right? When you put the prefix fa'a in front of it, and you say whaaunga, it like turns it into a verb, almost like to do, it turns it into like a doer word instead of a noun. So that's why you have whaunga as like to use, right? And it's funny if you don't know the language too much and you're around Samoan speakers, one thing you could do is pay attention to like the root words of things, like you might know the a common word would be like lele, right, which means like good. And if someone says fa'alele, that's like to make good or to do good, kind of, right? In that case, it's fa'alele is like to like solve or to like make peace in in like an argument or something, or settle an argument. Another one would be like, the word leanga. That's a common word. And if you hear fa'aleanga, right, then you can know it's like to make bad or to ruin, or even a word like ita or ika. Like if you've been around, Samoans enough, you know that one pretty good. And if you hear the word fa'aita or fa'aika, it's like to make angry, right? So that's one way to like to be able to understand the language better, is to see the root words and to know like certain prefixes like fa, right? So like another way that fa is used is like in relation to like you probably heard fa samoa. So it's like the customs and traditions of Samoa, right? That's one. That's another way to use the prefix fa'a. So yeah. So if you use, listen for things like that, that would help to learn the language even more. So I'm gonna put a few more of these up here like that, and put them next to each other. See how that works out. Yeah, toi whaunga, recycle, reuse, or again use. Whaunga, right, is to use, and toi means like again. So toi whaunga. There you go.